Maximize the use of your FS9 Wearable Breast Pump. Begin your FS9 breast pumping experience. Battery indicators. A green light indicates more than 90 minutes of use, while a red light signifies over 5 minutes remaining. Assembling your FS9 breast pump, a detailed guide. 1. Fit the silicone diaphragm into the flange until it clicks or feels secure to ensure the pump works effectively. 2. Attach the valve to the flange, referring to a video guide for correct placement. 3. Connect the flange with the attached parts to the container, ensuring a leak-proof fit. 4. Place the silicone breast shield onto the flange, aligning the grooves and pressing down the edges for a good seal and comfortable use. 5. Ensure the breast shield magnet fully covers the main unit's magnet area. Master the FS9 pump, expert modes and levels. The on-off button on the pump motor unit powers the device on with a short press and turns it off with another short press. The FS9 Wearable Breast Pump ensures a smooth pumping experience with its stimulation and expression settings. These settings are customizable with 5 intensity levels for optimal comfort. Simplified safety, an in-depth guide. Memory recall feature. Conveniently pick up where you left off with the pump's automatic setting memory. Auto safety shutdown. The FS9 pump prioritizes your well-being, powering down automatically after 20 minutes to guarantee a safe and pleasant session. For support or questions regarding your FS9 breast pump, please contact TPH Technology. Our commitment is to your satisfaction and the outstanding performance of our pumps. Thank you for choosing us.